Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I have too many shirts and too many tops and it's just way too many. I don't know how it got to be that many, but it is, and I have to get rid of some stuff. So I'm gonna go through my shirts and stuff today and we're gonna do a nice spring closet clean out because I need to make some room for new stuff. No, okay, I'm sorry. I have to donate some stuff. That is what I'm gonna do. You didn't even want to see what my closet looks like. It's, oh my god. This is not everything. This is also not everything. Oh my god. That is everything. Oh my god, that is just so bad. With the fact that I'm sick and that I have way too many tops, I'm not gonna put everything on. I don't feel like it. So let's just get started. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm embarrassed. I am so embarrassed. This is so bad. You know, I get free clothes and stuff and you know, it piles up and I'm sorry. Let's just start with something because I don't even know. No, you're not gonna do that. First thing, so cute, never worn it because I'm not very comfortable with strapless bras. You know, this is not great, but it's really cute and I love to wear it sometimes, but I know I won't because I won't be able to wear a normal bra with this. Yeah. Okay, this one is cute. This is like one of those bandana tops and it's so incredibly cute. It's just really open in the back and that's why I haven't worn it a lot, but it looks so good and the fabric is so nice. But I do think I'm gonna keep this. And if I don't wear it this summer, then I'm gonna get rid of it, but I kind of do want to wear it again. So, you know, this is cute, but you definitely have to wear a top underneath or else you're showing a lot. So not my favorite top. Have not worn this in a long time, so it's gonna go. This one, yeah, cute, but I don't like those cropped wide shirts. It's just not my thing, but I think I bought this just to wear at home, but at home I actually prefer a bit of a longer shirt. You know, no. This one, I haven't had this for too long, I think, but I think it's funny. I like it. It's a skeleton on a motorcycle and it's brown. I like brown. I think I'm gonna keep this for a little while longer. This one's too cute. No, I love this one. I am obsessed. It's a little bit dirty though. Why is it dirty? I don't know, but I like it. This one too, I have this one in multiple colors and I am obsessed. It is so good. So I'm definitely gonna keep it. This one I bought to wear to Paris, but it didn't come in time. And that is like so stupid to buy something to wear in a specific place that you're going to. You know, I like it. But maybe I could keep it for like a date night or something. Or just like a summer party. That would be so cute. I think I'm gonna keep it because I haven't even been able to wear it. This looks a lot like the top I just had in my hands. It's just a different fabric. I like it. It's such a deep cut again. And I don't love that per se. I'm gonna put this on the maybe pile because it is cute. It's just really deep cut. Another blue top. This one's really pretty. This one I really like. I really like the sides and the print and I just love this. So that's a keeper. This one I bought in Paris and it's adorable and I love it. I'm not gonna get rid of this. This is from a brand, Don't Call Me Jennifer. They had such cute stuff. Really cheap, not the best quality. It's cute though. This one is cute, but you can't wear a bra with it and the straps are a little too long. No. I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't know about this one. I got this one pretty recently, but I've never worn it and I believe you can't really wear a bra with it because it shows. This is a maybe pile. This is the next one. This one I still really like. It's like just a white simple tank top with a dragon on it and I think it's absolutely adorable, so I'm gonna keep this one. This one I also bought from Don't Call Me Jennifer and it's cute. This one I am obsessed with some short jeans. This is just so adorable. It's crossed in the back, which, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with. I love this top so much. I'm never gonna get rid of this. This one is my favorite black top, so I'm not gonna get rid of that. This one I haven't even been able to wear, but it is cute, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay. Cute. I have been obsessed with green lately, so I do think I'm gonna keep this. But you do have to wear a top underneath. I've really been into green, so I'm gonna keep it. Oh, this one is also really cute. This one's from Yesto. It took me such a long time to finally get it, but when I did, I was so glad that I did. So, keeper. Oh my god. I don't know. Maybe. I have no idea. So this top is very different, kind of unique, but I'm not sure if I like the bottom or not. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. Yeah. This one's still pretty cute. Yeah, I like it. Very big. I bought this last summer. This is kind of just a t-shirt for home. This isn't something I would just wear out. I believe it's a men's shirt. Ooh, this one. This one's really cute. I really like this one. It's from Cider. It's actually a knitted top, but it's still cute for spring or even winter with like a cardigan over it. Keeper. So this one's part of a set. There's a cardigan that goes with it, but it's just a simple kind of basic top that you can wear with everything. So it is a keeper. This one, I don't know. This is a maybe. This is like a simple black top with a zipper. It's really short. I'm not gonna keep this. I don't love it. Oh my god, this one. This one's really, really cute. I love this one so much. I'm not gonna get rid of this. Oh, it's open. I remember getting this. It just wasn't really what I expected, so I didn't love it. And I have way too much stuff, so I'm gonna get rid of it. So this one, you know, is cute, but I just think the lace isn't really for me. Like, it feels a little too much. It's cute, but I've never actually worn it because of the lace part, so no. Ooh, this one I am still obsessed with. It has a little fairy and it's just so adorable. Oh, this one I have in multiple colors, but the thing with this one is I thought it would be yellow and it's not. It's more of a tan color. I do wear it underneath some cardigans sometimes, so I do think I'm gonna keep it for now. This one I also bought last summer. I haven't gotten a chance to wear it, but I do like it and I at least want to wear it sometime. See if I actually love it. This one's cute. I like this one. It is kind of a knitted sweater and it has a little turtleneck, but then it has no sleeves, so I was kind of confused when I should wear this, but I do like it. So I'm gonna keep it and hopefully I'll find the right way to wear this. I've had this one for years, but I just really like it. I want to keep it. This is like stuff that I just wear at home that is just nice to wear. Now this one, this is just like a really cute shirt with strings and it's adorable, but it's just short. I like that less about it, but I do still like it, so I'm gonna keep it. I already bought it in a size bigger. I bought a size medium instead of a small, but it's still pretty short. We also have some sweater vests. I just bought this one recently. I haven't been able to wear it yet, because I think it's more of a spring sweater vest, but spring is coming, so I can finally wear it. Then I also have this one. I like to wear this one sometimes during winter, so yeah, I'm gonna keep it. This one is really, really cute. I got this winter, so it's fairly new, and I just love the color. It is so adorable. Now for this one, I'm not sure if I have worn it, but I do like it, so I think I'm gonna keep it. Now this one I've had for a while, but it's just so small. It's not cute without anything underneath, but with something underneath it kind of looks weird, so I think it's time to say goodbye to this one. Yeah, this one's so cute. It's such a cute color. I like this one. Now this one, kind of a velvety top, but it's nice and soft and pretty, and it's not really something I would wear casually, but for like a certain gathering or something, or maybe like a party, it's really pretty. This one I also really like. It's part of a set. It has shorts with it and I really like it, especially to wear at home. Now this one, I have worn it like once but I do like it. It's like just a cute summer top. I'm gonna keep this for another summer. I think this one is kind of new. I don't remember, but it's cute, so I'm gonna keep it. I just like to have those basic tank tops. Like, you can just go so many ways with this. Now this one, is it the same? No, it's not the same. It looks a lot like it, but it's nice for summer when you're like all tan. It just looks really good. Now for this one, I don't know about this one. It's like cute and different, but I don't know if I love that. It's a maybe. Now this is part of a set. It comes with bottoms, but the bottoms are too big for me, and I haven't worn this either. Separately, it's not really my thing, so I think I should get rid of this. This one, a little wrinkled, but I just still like it. Oh my god, this one, I totally forgot about it. This is more for winter, actually. I'm gonna keep it for winter and stuff. This one's also really cute. It has little flowers on it. And it just matches with a lot of things. Now this one I liked at first, but it's really tight, so it's just not very comfortable. So I think it's time to get rid of it. And of course we have a French shirt. It's just something I wear at home, but I like it. So this one, I don't know, I think I might have worn it underneath other stuff, but it's time to go. I don't like it anymore. This is a maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I like the color or not. The model's fine and everything, but the color, I don't know. Now, this one I usually wear underneath sweater vests, so I'm gonna keep it. So last summer, I get really obsessed with yellow, and I really like this top, but I'm not sure if I like the text on it, because it says, "Be like the sun, keep on shining, and let them burn." You know, it's not the most friendly text, but I do like it. This is another one of those shirts that I wear at home, but I really like it though. But I just don't wear stuff like this out casually, but I do like it. This one I also still really like. It has angels on it. This one I believe I kind of bought like when I would go to the beach or something and I would wear a bathing suit. I could wear this on top. Why are the buttons like that? And I think that's the reason I'm gonna keep it again. Now for this one, it was supposed to be light yellow. That is what it showed in the picture, but it turned out not to be that, so I don't like this color, so I should really just not. No. I've had this top for a few years, I think, and I've always really liked it, but it's always been short too. But it is also kind of cute with like a skirt or something. This one I really like. I'm not gonna get rid of this. It's really pretty. Okay, that's gonna go. I know it's not a whole lot compared to what I have. I am so terribly sorry. I just have so many cute things. Maybe I'm gonna put a few things on Vinted. The rest I'm gonna be donating to people who need it. Anyway, that was it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to become a part of the family. And I hope I will see you in my next video.